It's class project time. You thought I'd forgotten. Okay, this one here is pretty cool. It's from this company called SuiteInstalling. It's not a company. They support the industry, the editing industry, and they've supplied some free to use multicam footage, which is hard to come by. Okay, I'd prefer if you get to use your own footage. Okay, but not everyone has it. So if you've got your own footage, definitely use that. But if you don't, there's a couple of options here. So here's the link to it. If they change the link, check out their website. Sometimes whenever I put a link on these things, they seem to move things around, but the link should take you to here. Okay, the Edit Challenge Multicam. Watch this short little video. The only difference is that he explains that you can match the clips using the clapper, okay, on the waveform. That just means, like at the beginning here, there's a clap. Can you see there's a clapper? And you'll see a little spike on the timeline here. Okay, there's the clapper. Okay, that's how you'd match it. Before Premiere Pro had this lovely audio feature, so you don't have to like line them up. What you need to do is just use the feature that we used in the last video, where we align them all based on an audio track. Okay, these tracks here are all got the same audio track on them, so there's no bad ones, so it doesn't really matter which one you sync to. Okay, the cool thing about it, there's 3 videos, and they're pretty cool. Okay, they're the different artists. It's a really cool song that's being performed. Okay, so what else is on my list? So sync it using the audio. I want you to grade the footage as well. I want you to do something, okay? Don't want you to leave it to plain. It can be subtle or it can be quite distinctive, okay? So grade it like a particular movie style or some sort of effect. I want you to add a bit of creativity to it. Whatever you think. And make sure you upload your video, okay? Behance or Vimeo. You've done this loads before. The difference with this one is you need to upload it to us like normal, but you need to make sure you use the hashtag SuiteInstalling, okay, wherever you use it, just so they can track it. And also you need to use the credits listed on the website. Okay, and here it is here. So the credits are down the bottom here. It's this stuff. So there's 2 songs to pick from. You can pick from the Before You Accuse Me. So you'd use that chunk and all of this, the camera operators, the gaffer, the grip, all of these, all the way down to here. Okay, if you choose the second video, just use all of that down. The other thing they're doing it here is they're asking for considering a donation, okay, to help them out. So you might consider that as well. It's pretty cool what they do for the industry. So you might think to throw them a few bucks to support them. Yeah, and the same before, share it on social media. Love to see it. Make sure you tag us. And if you can find SuiteInstalling on the various platforms, tag them as well and thank them. On that page, there's various different ways of downloading. The way I did it was I just clicked the download raw footage here. It opens up a Google Drive. And you can see there's Before You Accuse Me, BYAM. There's cam 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's other version, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, use those, download big chunk. Yeah, all 4 of those and all 4 of those. There's 4 of them. I didn't download the 4th one. Anyway, I'm looking forward to see how your edit goes. On to the next video. Actually, no, you go do your homework. I'm going on to the next video. I will see you in a little while because that's going to take a little while, that project. Enjoy it though.